To begin using your mXers wired earbuds, first pop off the sleeve and open the box. The box should contain the type of earbuds that you've purchased in the phone, and a carrying case containing the wires and other size silicone ear tips. To fit your earbuds, select what size of silicone tips fits you best and interchange them as needed. Place them in your ears for a good fit. Next, assemble your earbuds by pushing the connectors together until you feel or hear an audible click. This denotes that you have a secure connection between your components. For xCore earphones, check the engraved lettering on the interior of the earbud to see whether it is a left or right earbud. Place the earbud in your ear with the mXers logo facing upright. Twist the earbud so the connector rotates up, securing the earbud in place. Wrap the wire around the ear to finish. For xBass earphones, they can be worn in either ear. Place in your ears with a rotating motion until the module feels secure. Simply pushing the module into your ear may not result in desired fit. With xBass earbuds, you may choose whether to wrap the wire up and around your ear or wear them classic style. To disconnect modules, do not tug them apart by holding the wires and pulling. mXers wire connectors are designed with grips in order to separate the wire and module, and using them will preserve the integrity of the platform.